Never Too Late is a fabulous song by Elton John and features in the new Lion King movie. In this song, we've got Miss York to demonstrate this one, and she sings it a little bit different to Elton John. Elton John sings it right down here. It's never too late to turn things around, which is very low, okay? And it's a fabulous song, but it's too low for us to sing down there. So Miss York is singing it a little bit higher. It's never too late to turn things around, recover, unravel the path you confound. So when we're singing, make sure that our shoulders are down, we're keeping our back straight and our head straight. We don't want to push it up, we don't want to push it down onto our chest, and we don't want loud singing, we want beautiful singing, okay? It should just float effortlessly over these higher notes, okay? So, the first bit's dead easy peasy. So, the last bit of the verse, it's never too late, I hope it's never too late, is a trickier bit because it goes that bit higher. So, to get onto these higher notes, we can lift the tops of our heads off, or we can lift our eyebrows, or we can smile onto the note, or we can bend our knees. Or we could do a combination of all of them, just to help get up there to start off with. So we could go, it's never too late, I hope it's never too late. So imagine you're taking the top of your head off, or lifting the eyebrows. It's never too late, I hope it's never too late. Or you could bend your knees. It's never too late, I hope it's never too late. Then on the chorus, Miss York has taken it back down. Never too late to fight the fight, never too late to keep the night. And what you could do, you could split into two groups so that you can have a conversation. So one group could do never too late to fight the fight, never too late to keep the night, and so on in that chorus. And then you could all join back together for the oh no, it's never too late. Now if that's too low at that pitch, you can take it back up. Oh, it's never too late. So you could take it back up there. So it's about working out where in your voice it feels most comfortable. Is it down at the bottom or is it up at the top? Okay, work out where it's more comfortable for you. The rest of the song is relatively the same as what we've already sung. So the main thing with this one is to have lots and lots of fun with it, okay? See about putting some rhythms in there, you can put some dancing into there as well, but mainly have lots of fun.